Assalamualaikum class. Welcome to the online practical session of computer aided manufacturing, and I am your practical instructor Naima. Today we will do workshop number 5 whose objective is post processing of CNC tool path using software Catia. So what is post processing? Actually, the CNC post processor is a software that converts tool path created in CAM system into NC programs that can be read by a machine controller to move the cutting tool along the program path in a safe, consistent, and a predictable manner. Right? So, in today's workshop, we will generate the tool path using Catia software. So, you will open the file that you have saved for machining workbench that we have performed in the last lab session number 7. You will open that file. After opening that, I have opened that file, right? And after opening that, you will go to the tools and then option. You will select IMS as post processor and controller emulator folder as IMS. Alright, and then you will choose the location to which you want to save the NC code file. So I am here using my desktop to be the destination folder, right? And click OK. And where you get these option tools options in machining, you get these output options, right? And click OK. Now you will go to the part that is your rename after your name and roll number. You will click that part, right? So here no machine is selected on which we are planning to do the machining, so you have to select that machine too. You will select this 3 axis machine, right? There are multiple option over here. You have to select 3 axis machine, right? Press OK. In 3 axis machine, you will have to go into the numerical control. Here you can see post processor word table. You have the CNC machine is CNC lathe machine is selected. You have to select the CNC lathe machine. So you will select IMS PP table, right? Here post processor is not specified. You have to specify the post processor as I have told you in the practical session that the controller we are using over the milling machine is Fanuc. So you will select the Fanuc, right? And you will select OK. And also selecting this machine options and numerical control, you will select OK. After that, you will go into the manufacturing program 1. Right click on it, go to the manufacturing program 1 object, generate NC code interactively. Okay, over here NC data type is required because you want the NC codes. So you will select the NC code over here. Okay, output file location is here showing. Okay, and NC code, make sure the IMS post processor here is selected as Farnook, and then click execute, and then click execute. Click continue. It has been stored into the location where you have provided a destination file, folder. So this is a program file that will be open into the GNN code file that will be open in the notepad. If there is a extension as then notepad, you can right click, change properties and open it with the notepad. So this file will be generated for the program we have. For the cat drawing we have drawn, this is the GNM code file that will be resulted as the output of the post processor. Thank you, class. And one thing more that what review you should have to attach? You should have to attach this file output. This file output in not more than 3 pages. Scale it down by formatting, and then write above your name and roll number, and attach it into the workbook in workshop number 8.